Okay, welcome to 3.5 Common Uses of Artificial Intelligence. So, artificial intelligence is like adding smart tech into your house. AI chatbots are the doormen who answer guest questions, sometimes helpful, sometimes not. AI assistants like Alexa or Google Home are smart switches, controlling your lights and music. Generative AI is like hiring a contractor to build a new room on demand, or an interior designer to redecorate the house automatically. In AI predictions and suggestions, that's your smart thermostat, learning your habits and adjusting comfort settings before you even think about it. So in the office, AI looks a lot like Ryan's startup ideas. Sometimes brilliant, sometimes a total disaster. Chatbots are Kelly, talking endlessly without always giving real answers. AI assistants are Dwight, always ready to respond whether you need them or not. Generative AI is Pam cranking out presentations, creative, quick, and sometimes a little odd. And AI predictions and suggestions are Oscar predicting budgets, or Stanley suggesting pretzel breaks at exactly the right time. Okay, so wrapping 3.0 up, at Dunder Mifflin, chaos somehow still leads to results. The operating system, Michael, and the team leads keeps the branch open. The applications are the employees, each with their unique skills. Browsers are the windows connecting Scranton to the outside world. Configuration and setup are Angela, IT, and Jan enforcing rules. And AI is Ryan, Kelly, and Dwight, promising big changes, sometimes helpful, sometimes just noise. Just like Scranton, the world of applications and software is quirky, imperfect, and occasionally buggy. But when all the pieces come together, the system works. The lesson: you don't just use software, you manage it, troubleshoot it, and adapt. Just like the branch survives under Michael Scott. That's what she said. Okay, thanks so much for sticking with me through 3.0. We covered a lot of ground here too, from the operating systems, file systems, to the productivity and collaboration tools, browsers, and even artificial intelligence. Hopefully you're starting to see how some of the software side connects to the infrastructure we covered in the domain too. If you got questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be checking and answering as best I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss Domain 4. In Domain 4, we're going to dig into software development concepts, where the real building and coding magic happens. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.